Hello everyone, so this is my third project for Madras Bazaar for this month. So let's begin. This I've found in a pathway, so from a tree actually, and I have painted this in this way with gold and black acrylic color with this, and I have few resin, and I have UV resin, UV lamp, and quick fix if necessary. I have this new launch yet to be done by Madras Bazaar, so this will be available soon in Madras Bazaar. This is the LED light, so I'll tell you how it works. So this is the color changing LED light of red and green blue color. So I'm going to use this for my project. And what else I have, and this beautiful crystals. So let's begin the work. So this is going to be the showpiece. So how I'm going to do is, like, I'm going to stick some crystals on this, and I'll fix a LED lamp in this. So let's see how it's gonna work. I'm adding some UV resin. So I'll drop few crystals. Madras Bazaar has ranges of colors, so you can use any of your favorite color here. So I thought white will work since I'm using this LED. I'm adding more UV. So let's first fix this. So I'm keeping this for a few minutes to get it stuck, and we'll add the next layer on top. So this is done, and we'll do the other side. See, I have sticked both the side. See, I'll show you the LED lamp, UV lamp actually, sorry. So this I have done. So let's fix the light. So here finally we have fixed the light. You can see the magic, isn't it beautiful? So this can be used as your night lamp, a showpiece, a jewelry stand, anything you wish to have. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.